Rứ taxi. Take yeah. Taking it means like chi. Tuk tuk is tuk tuk. Rứ or tuk tuk or rứ taxi is taxi. Yeah. So to ride chi. Yeah. Slow youth. Yeah, youth is we normally we say like youth like slow down. Yes, cha xong thì về youth. Fast lướn. Yeah, lướn. To try បើកបរបើក like បើកឡានបើកម៉ូតូបើក to take បើកបើក to try បើក yeah បើក it kind like បើក sound like open បើក as well but try here it refer to yeah បើកទ្វារបើកឡានបើកម៉ូតូ yeah 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 and to take or bring someone ជូន yeah for example like ខ្ញុំជូន Kevin ទៅផ្ទះខ្ញុំជូន Kevin ទៅផ្ទះ mean I take you home yeah to turn បត់ yeah បត់ left ឆ្វេង yeah right ស្ដាំ yeah to stop ឈប់ yeah ឈប់ in front of មុខ yeah in front of មុខ behind yeah មក that's one មក in Khmer we spell like មកមក spell different this one មុខ it mean like in front not មកមុខ ដាក់ yeah ដាក់ស្រៈដល់ខមុខ yeah spelling different and pronounce is slightly different មក and មុខ this one មុខ behind ក្រោយ yeah ក្រោយ yeah ក្រោយ but ក្រោយ here it mean like behind it refer to the back but spelling the same ក្រោយ the same like ជួបគ្នាពេលក្រោយ spell the same in Khmer ក្រោយ place កន្លែង yeah កន្លែង so may I repeat again to ride ជិះ slow យឺត fast លឿន to try បើក to take or bring ជូន to turn បត់ left ឆ្វេង right ស្ដាំ to stop ឈប់ in front of មុខ behind ក្រោយ place កន្លែង yeah កន្លែង Kevin want to read by yourself from to right ជិះ slow ยืด fast to try bulk to take or bring to turn left right to stop in front of behind place កន្លែង